Good day, Team Telco member. Welcome again to the Service Delivery Department. Quickly, we just want to look at something called the Service Delivery Action Priority Matrix, what it is, how it works, and how you'll use it. This is a two-part series. This is part one. And in part one, we're going to just look at the 8 key activities that form up the action priority matrix for the service delivery department. We'll also talk to and explain what impact, effort, and category are about. All right, so quickly, let's just go through this. Right, in the service delivery department, we do have 8 key activities that we expect service delivery team members to participate with on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. These are number 1, service delivery infrastructure management. Number 2, tasks, job cards, and ticket management. Number 3, escalation management. Number 4, project infrastructure planning and documentation. Number 5, creating analytic reports. Number 6, accounting for time, resources, and attendance. Number 7, participating in department and organizational activities. These could be meetings, trainings, and other organizational wide events. And lastly, number 8, compliance with the department and company vision, mission, values, CVP, policies, and procedures. All right, that one's quite a mouthful, that number 8. All right, so those are the 8 activities that we expect team members of the service delivery department to participate in on a daily, weekly, and a monthly basis. This forms really the bedrock. This forms really the core of what you'll be doing in your particular job role in the service delivery department. The good thing also is that these 8 activities are generic enough to cover all job roles that you find, whether it's service delivery technician, specialist, power automation and IoT technician or specialist, outside plant supervisor, outside plant foreman, planning, network planning specialists. All job roles within the service delivery department are aptly covered by these 8 activities that we've spelled out here. All right, so let's move to the next thing. We then categorize these 8 activities, and we use a method that considers its impact and effort to then slot these 8 items into different categories. All right, so impact, we're talking to when this task is done, when this activity is done on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. How much impact does it have? Remember, we are a sales-led or customer-centric organization. So all we're doing is we're thinking about the customer. All our activities are about the customer. Remember, the customer is king. In our instance, the customer pays the bills. All right. So when we talk about impact, a lot of that is around its direct and sometimes indirect impact as it relates to a customer. All right. So that's impact, and we rate that 1 out of 1 to 10. Then we've got effort. Effort is talking about that, okay, to do this activity, how much effort do I need to put in? All right, and we've rated that on experience out of, again, 1 to 10. All right. And now, depending where impact and effort lie in this matrix, we then categorize or put this activity into one of the 4 categories, which can be a quick win, a fill-in, a thankless task, or a project. All right. Most of the names are pretty descriptive. Quick win means it's something, usually quick wins fall in the medium to high impact, but medium to low effort. That's a quick win. Projects, on the other hand, fall in the medium to high impact, but also medium to high effort. All right. Fill-ins may float somewhere in between, so medium impact or medium to low impact and medium to low effort. All right. And then lastly, thankless tasks also fall in the medium to low impact and medium to low effort. All right. So those are our 4 categories. So we look at that, we look at the impact, we look at the effort, and that tells us what or which category this particular activity falls into. I hope that's clear. And now that we now know the 8 activities that we expect all people in the service delivery department to be doing on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, hopefully now you also understand how to classify or how they've been classified into one of the 4 categories: quick win, fill in, thankless task, and projects.